Well, this is unexpected. This, my friends, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. We got it in hand. Now let's open it up and let's talk about it. All right, of course, this is the camera that we have been waiting for. Now, I have had generation 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. And we know that they have a 4 Pro that is coming out very shortly that has the 2 separate lenses on it. But today we are going to be unboxing this one and seeing what's inside. So no, there will not be any footage as of today, but I will be coming with videos just to let you know how former accessories like for the Pocket 3 fit this device. And that was a lackluster unboxing, but there we go. We got the paper off. Kind of ripped on me, but this is what you get. Now, I do not want to break this packaging. I want to open this up. This was actually an anniversary gift from my wife, so thank you so much to my beautiful wife. She got this for me, so let's see what we got. All right, so out of box, and of course, you know, you get instructions, and DJI gives you these nice little stickers. I always take these stickers and pop them on a computer or a cover or something like that. So we keep up with stickers and instructions, but we know how to use this bad boy. So let's get right into the bread and butter, the meat and potatoes, the coup de grace. All right, now I feel like they cheaped out on this pouch just a little bit. Now it is a pouch, keep in mind. Let's see what we got. The pouch it reminds me of, I'm trying to think. Now it reminds me of the pouches for the Mic Mini. So if you got a Mic Mini, the pouches are like cloth material. That's what it really reminds me of. Now, let me pull that out. And then, of course, you got your silicone pack in there. And that's all that's in there. You do have a button that holds this together. In here, we got cables and we got the adapter that goes on the bottom. And then that is it. That's the pouch. So we'll talk about that in just a minute. Getting this open. This is your adapter right here. Now this adapter does 2 separate things. It allows you to charge and it connects directly to the bottom. And of course you got a nice sticker on there. Of course, it's going to give you all your instructions. This is how you release that adapter from the bottom. And then it has your 1/4 adapter down at the bottom. So you can put it on mounts and things like that. I want to see if the old one will fit as well. So we got that. We got USB type C to C cable in there. Of course, we got the pouch itself, and then we got the nitty gritty right here. So I want to go ahead and get this open, get this undone, and I'll do some comparisons, but this is what we get. Of course, we know what this is, and ooh, oh, so lovely. And then ooh, so satisfying. And one thing I do notice right up front, that this button, this control is more of a knob, not like a little button. So I like the feel of that. Of course, we got 2 buttons up under here and we got more stickers. So we do want to kind of read these stickers. It says remove, that's all. So it does say remove. And then you got your adapter back here for your field light if you decide to pick up that combo. But we are going to remove this. Boom, got that off. And I thought it was supposed to come with a locking mechanism, but this version may not. This is the Essential Combo Bundle, or the Essential Combo Bundle Essential, whatever you want to call it. This is the basic of the basic. It doesn't have all the extra bells and whistles with it. Has a little weight to it, and I like the texture on the back now. Open that up, and it flips right around. So, of course, you got to set this up, but you can notice that we do have these 2 extra buttons. This one is see if you can see right there, that is a zoom. And I'm not sure what that one does right there. So we'll see what that does in just a moment. So it does run you through all the prompts as you go through it. Now, this is our shutter or our record button. And we'll swipe. Let's see. 5D joystick. So I love the feel on this joystick. 5D joystick. Push stick, control gimbal, direction, zoom, all that good stuff. Let's swipe over our zoom button right here. So it's going to walk us through everything, tell us exactly what to do. Press 1 to switch between your 1-time and your 2-time zoom. Double press and you quickly switch between to a 4-time zoom. So we got that right there. Custom button. Customize single and double press functions to control mode switching, photo and video capture and gimbal. So this is just a custom button you can set up. We'll go through that in just a little while, maybe a few videos down the line. Rotate screen, we already know how to do that. That's like you power the device on and you swap between your portrait and landscape modes. And what else? Storage. Okay, so, and right here it tells you UHS U3 micro SD card recommended, but you don't have to. That's why I can't see anything. It's something on the front of it. I'm like, what is going on? Okay. So when you do too much too quick, it does tell you, hey, your points have been reached. But this comes with expandable memory as well as memory on board. Now, if you close that, it will go off just like the old one. And I'm going to have to take that piece of tape off. But I do want to show you guys this because on the old one, this slot is just open to the world. But on this new one, slot is holding on by a little cover, and I like upgrades when we get devices. So I'm pretty impressed by this. I like this a lot. It does have a little bit more weight and it does seem to lock up. Now the old one stays locked for about 8 to 10 seconds and then it just kind of willy-nilly flips around. So this one's not moving as of yet. So hopefully it will not. I'm going to pick it up in just a moment just to see if it will move again. But this is it, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This has been a quick unboxing just to show you what is inside and how this thing looks and some of the features that it has. More videos coming very shortly. I got to shoot with it. I'll be trying this out very, very shortly, and I'll be connecting my first generation Mic Mini. I hadn't had a chance to get my hands on the Mic Mini 2 yet, but I am looking for one. So if y'all know of anybody that has one, shout out to me. But this is it. Hopefully this has been able to give you guys some insight and hopefully it helped you out. Until next time, Average Tech out. Peace.